Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of animals. Today, we're going to talk about one of the largest and most dangerous land animals in Africa, the hippopotamus. In this video, we'll take a closer look at these incredible animals and know more about their fascinating lives. Hippos are semi-aquatic mammals that are native to sub-Saharan Africa. They are known for their massive size, powerful jaws, and aggressive behavior. Hippos are known to be one of the largest mammals found in water, with adult males weighing up to 3,500 pounds and females weighing up to 2,700 pounds. Exceptionally large males have been recorded reaching weights up to 6,000 pounds. Male hippos appear to continue growing throughout their lives, while females reach maximum weight at around age 25. They can grow up to 4 meters or 13 feet in length and 1.5 meters or 5 feet in height. The lifespan of a hippo can vary depending on several factors such as availability of food and water, predation, and human activity. In general, wild hippos have a lifespan of around 40 to 50 years, although some have been known to live into their 60s. Hippos that are kept in captivity may have shorter lifespans due to factors such as stress, lack of exercise, and suboptimal living conditions. In captivity, hippos can still live for several decades, with some individuals living into their 40s or 50s. These animals prefer to live near rivers, lakes, and swamps where they can access water and vegetation easily. Hippos can be found throughout sub-Saharan Africa, from Angola in the west to Mozambique in the east, and from the Sahara Desert in the north to South Africa in the south. They prefer to live in slow-moving rivers with deep pools and sandy bottoms. They can often be seen lounging in the water or grazing along the riverbank. Hippos can also be found in large lakes such as Lake Victoria and Lake Chad. In these environments, they live near the shoreline and graze on vegetation growing in and around the water. They are well adapted to living in swamps and marshes, where they can move through shallow water and mud with ease. They are often found in areas with thick vegetation, where they can find food and shelter. Let's look at some of the facts about them. Hippos can hold their breath for around 3 to 5 minutes, but they have been known to hold their breath for up to 8 minutes in some cases. When a hippo submerges, its nostrils and ears automatically close to prevent water from entering. The hippo's eyes are protected by a clear membrane that allows them to see underwater. Additionally, hippos are able to walk or run on the bottom of a river or lake to conserve energy while submerged. It's important to note that while hippos are capable of staying underwater for several minutes, they still need to come up for air regularly. In fact, adult hippos spend only about 5 minutes underwater before resurfacing to breathe, while young hippos may stay underwater for up to 30 seconds at a time. During this time, they slow down their metabolism and reduce their oxygen consumption to conserve energy. Hippos are able to stay underwater for such long periods due to their large lungs and the ability to close their nostrils to prevent water from entering their lungs. They are known for their large and impressive teeth, which are actually elongated canine teeth. The size of a hippo's teeth can vary depending on its age, sex, and individual characteristics, but in general, their teeth can grow up to 50 centimeters or 20 inches in length. The lower canines are particularly large and can grow to be almost twice the size of the upper canines. The teeth are sharp and powerful and can easily crush through tough vegetation, as well as defend the hippo against predators. Hippos use their teeth to fight with other hippos, establish dominance, and defend their territories. They are territorial animals and can be quite aggressive when defending their territory. Despite their intimidating appearance and strength, hippos are generally herbivorous animals, feeding primarily on grass and other plants. They mark their territory by spraying feces and urine around the area, and they will fiercely protect it from intruders. They are also known to be quite vocal, using a variety of grunts, snorts, and wheezes to communicate with other hippos. They may look cute and cuddly, but they are incredibly aggressive animals. They are known to attack boats and humans that enter their territory, and they have been responsible for numerous deaths in Africa. In actual fact, hippos kill many more people every year, causing an estimated 500 deaths annually as compared to only 22 for lions. They are deadly land mammals. This is because they are very aggressive and territorial, and have a habit of charging at boats and capsizing them. They have powerful jaws that can crush bones, and they are able to move quickly both in water and on land. They are known to be especially aggressive during mating season, and females with calves can be particularly dangerous. It's important to stay a safe distance from hippos if you encounter them in the wild. When it comes to reproduction, hippos have a unique mating ritual. Male hippos will fight for the attention of a female and often have scars to show for it. Females give birth to a single calf after a gestation period of 8 months. The mother hippo is very protective of her calf and will keep it close by for several months until it's ready to join the herd. Hippos are not known to spread diseases to humans. However, they are known carriers of a parasitic flatworm called Fasciola gigantica, which can infect livestock that graze near rivers and lakes where hippos live. This can lead to significant economic losses for farmers in affected areas. Additionally, hippo feces can pollute water sources and contribute to the spread of waterborne diseases in humans and animals. It is important to practice good hygiene and avoid drinking or swimming in water that may be contaminated by hippo feces. Despite their large size and bulky appearance, hippos are actually quite fast runners, particularly over short distances. They can run on land at speeds of up to 30 km per hour, or 18.6 miles per hour over short distances of around 100 meters. However, they are not built for endurance and can tire quickly, so they are better adapted for living in water, where they can swim long distances at a slower pace. Hippos are well adapted for living in water. They are apex predators in their habitats and do not have many natural predators. However, young and weak hippos may occasionally be preyed upon by large predators such as crocodiles and lions. Crocodiles are the most significant predators of hippos, particularly during times of drought when water sources are limited and hippos are forced to congregate in smaller areas. Adult hippos are generally too large and powerful for most predators to take on successfully. Hippos are fascinating animals that are well adapted to their semi-aquatic lifestyle. However, it's important to remember that they are also incredibly powerful and dangerous creatures. Hippos are classified as a vulnerable species by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, also called as IUCN. Their population has declined significantly due to habitat loss, hunting, and poaching for their meat and ivory-like teeth. It is estimated that there are between 115,000 and 130,000 hippos left in the wild. Their habitat is under threat from human activities, and efforts must be made to protect these magnificent animals and their environment. Unfortunately, human activities such as damming, farming, and development have destroyed much of the natural habitat of hippos. As a result, their populations are declining in many parts of Africa. By respecting their territory and keeping a safe distance, we can appreciate these magnificent animals without putting ourselves at risk. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.